Hi everyone, I'm Janice and welcome to my masterclass on cost leadership strategy through activity-based costing or ABC. This presentation is based on Douglas T. Hicks' book, Activity-Based Costing, Making It Work for Small and Mid-Sized Companies. Before I dive into the topic, let me share why I chose it. As a student of business administration majoring in accounting, I've always been curious about how companies manage cost effectively. We often hear about cutting costs, but what I wanted to understand the strategic thinking behind it. That's how I came across cost leadership and ABC. Cost leadership is one of the most important strategies for businesses today, especially in a competitive markets. But here's the key. You can't be a cost leader if you don't truly understand your cost. That's where activity-based costing comes in. In this session, I'll walk you through the strategy, the ABC method, a simple example, lessons from the book, and my personal reflections as someone who is studying accounting. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick look at cost leadership strategy. This is when a company aims to be the lowest cost producer in its industry while still delivering acceptable quality. It's not about being cheap, but about being efficient. It's about eliminating waste, optimizing processes, and using data to guide decisions. Examples of these include Walmart, IKEA, and McDonald's. They succeed because of streamlined operations, efficient supply chains, and cost control. But what we don't see behind the scenes is how they manage cost visibility. Without knowing exactly what's driving expenses, these companies wouldn't be able to maintain their competitive advantage. To lead on cost, businesses need clear visibility in what they spend and why. Unfortunately, many rely on outdated costing systems that misled them, which is exactly what ABC can help to fix. So, what is ABC? Traditional costing systems typically assign overhead costs using a single base like labor hours or machine time. This approach is simple, but it often misrepresents reality. It assumes all products consume resources in the same way, which we know isn't true. Activity-based costing, on the other hand, assign costs based on actual activities performed to produce a product or service. It recognizes that different products consume resources differently. For example, two products might take the same time to assemble but require very different levels of testing, packaging, or customer service. ABC considers all of that. ABC helps us understand the true cost of delivering each product or service. It improves pricing decisions, cost control, and profitability analysis. Hicks argues that ABC is a strategic tool, especially for smaller businesses that can't afford to make pricing mistakes. Here's a side-by-side comparison to make this clearer. Traditional costing uses a single cost driver like labor hours. It simplifies cost allocation but often hides inefficiencies. ABC uses multiple cost drivers that reflect the true nature of activities. It gives more accurate, actionable insights. Think of this way. Traditional costing is like using one size fits all pricing for every meal at a restaurant. ABC is like pricing each item based on the ingredients, time to prepare, and packaging. Traditional costing is mostly about reporting. ABC is about decision making. That difference is critical if you want to compete on cost. Hicks says, cost is not just a number, it's a behavior. That means costs are the result of how we do things, not just what we spend. By understanding activities, we can change behaviors and ultimately reduce cost in a smarter way. Let me show you a simple example. Imagine a small bakery that sells two products, custom cupcakes and organic bread. The business has $2,000 in overhead costs each month. Using traditional costing, You might allocate that equally, $1,000 to cupcakes and $1,000 to bread. But are those two products really using resources equally? Cupcakes require decorative labor, custom packaging, individual boxing, and more hands-on time. Bread is baked in batches and packaged simply. The two production processes are very different. Using ABC, we discovered that cupcakes actually consume 1,500 in overhead. Bread only uses 500. This changes everything. Without ABC, you might underprice the cupcakes and overprice the bread, unknowingly hurting your profitability. Let's say the bakery sells cupcakes for $3 each and bread for $4. With the wrong cost data, they might think cupcakes are more profitable, but in reality, the margins are worse. ABC gives you the real picture, and that helps you lead on cost by focusing on the right areas. It also lets you decide whether to reduce variety, outsource certain steps, or even increase cupcake prices. Here are 4 lessons I've learned from Douglas Hicks' book. Cost is a behavior, not just a number. It reflects how a business operates. ABC helps uncover hidden inefficiencies. You can identify which activities add value and which ones don't. Better decisions come from activity insights. It enables smarter pricing, process improvements, and product management. Small businesses benefit just as much as large ones. ABC isn't just for big corporations with complex systems. What stood out to me was how practical Hicks makes it for small and mid-sized firms to use ABC without major technology or big budgets. The book includes examples and step-by-step guides to show how businesses can implement ABC gradually, using spreadsheets and observation before investing in software. From my accounting perspective, this topic has changed the way I look at cost systems. Before, I thought costing was just about allocating expenses and calculating unit cost. But now, I realize that costing is strategic. The way we assign cost affects every decision, from pricing and budgeting to product development and customer service. ABC allows accountants like us to help managers see what drive cost, what profitable, and where to improve. We don't just record transactions, we provide insights. ABC turns accounting into a decision-making tool. It helps businesses ask, are we spending wisely? Which products should we prioritize? What activities create value? This experience has shown me how accounting supports not just financial health, but strategic success. In the future, I want to work in a role where I can use tools like ABC to help businesses make smarter decisions, not just based on guesswork, but grounded in real data. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways from my masterclass. Cost leadership is about being efficient and competitive, not just cheap. Activity-based costing gives you a clear, detailed view of what drives your cost. Douglas Hicks' book makes ABC approachable for businesses of any size. And from an accounting point of view, ABC makes our work more impactful. We can guide decisions, not just track outcomes. As I reflect on what I have learned, I realize that cost data is only as useful as the system behind it. ABC offers a way to move beyond the basics and help businesses think strategically. Thank you for watching this masterclass. I hope you now have a better understanding of how ABC supports cost leadership and why strategic costing is essential for business success. Let's keep learning and asking ourselves, Are we really seeing the full picture of our costs?